All right, so you ready? Flipping over, sit on your buttocks. Now, adding some tension. And what we're going to do here is we're going to start with the elbows back underneath the stick in our yoga position. And we're going to lift up the right leg, and we're going to take the right leg out and in. Now, while you're doing that, your body's going to be reclined slightly. I want you to think about your lower abdomen, and I want you to think about drawing in the lower abdomen, drawing in the lower abdomen while that leg's moving the whole time that you're in this position. So you're going to draw it in, your knees lifted up nice and high. Get ready to take the leg out. Breathe out as the foot goes out. All right, here we go. Stretch it out, come back in. Reach out and in. So extend the leg out. Feel the quadriceps working now. Breathe out. Good job. Excellent. Stretch it away. Good work. So keep that leg moving. Well done. That's it. All the way out. Good work. And reach. There you go. Out and in. Out and in. Alright. Keep going. We're nearly there. Oh. That's it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And relax. Well done. So now this time, we're going to hold the stick in our hands and we're going to kick the leg out. Are you ready? So elbows lifted. You ready? Here we go. So take it out and come back up. So extend the leg out. Fully lengthen the arms out. Stretch the foot forwards. Good. Out. Now you're going to really feel this in the front of your thighs. Bring the stick right up towards your chin and lengthen that. You're going to feel this more in your left arm. Good, well done. One more time and release. Good job. So now this time, both our feet are going to be lifted and you're going to stretch your legs out and then stretch your arms up. You've got to make sure that your elbows stay lifted up. Are you ready? Here we go. Take it out. So stretch out and up. Good. Fully extend out the elbows. Stretch the legs out and up. Well done. Stretch it out. Good job. And breathe out and in. Again, exhale. Draw your lower abdomen in and release. Two more and up. One more time. Take it out and relax. Well done. Good job. All right, so back again, elbows underneath the gym stick, but this time we're going to be moving the left leg out and in. Are you ready? Stick against your body. Here we go. Left leg, go. Take it out, come back in. So reach out that left leg, stretch it out. You should feel it in your thigh here, but draw in your lower abdomen. So draw it in and keep it drawn in the entire time that you're leaning back. Check for me that you have the stick against your torso. Yep, against your torso. Well done. Two more to go. One more time and release. Good work. So underhand grip, elbows lifted. We've got the knee up. We're going to stretch the leg forwards. Keep the elbows lifted. Arms up high. Ready? 3, 2. Here we go. So stretch it out and up. Good. So fully lengthen the arms. Now notice how my elbows are staying up away from my body. And as I lengthen out the arms, my arms completely straighten. Good. Well done. So we're taking our time here. All the way out and up. Good job. Two more. Last time, out and release. Good work. So now we've got both legs up, right? So both legs are going to go up, both legs are going to go out. Your elbows stay lifted up off your body. You ready? 4, 3, 2. Here we go. So reach out and come back up. Now I'm lifting my pelvic floor, so I'm thinking about closing my front and my back passage, and I'm doing it as I go back, and I breathe out at the same time, right? Draw your lower abdomen, Elbows lifted away from your torso. Good, stretch it out. One more time, and relax. Good job, well done.